Dear students, welcome to the Economic Study Circle. In this video, we are going to present Business Studies subject for 2nd PUC. Second chapter, Principles of Management. To get more marks, MCQ questions are very important. Let us start 1 marks MCQ questions in this video. Hot questions also included and marked with red color star. So please give your 100% concentration. First question. Principles of management are not option A universal, option B flexible, option C absolute, option D behavioral. Answer is option C absolute. Next question. Second, how are principles of management formed? Option A in a laboratory, option B by experience of managers, option C experience of customers, option D by propagation of social scientists. Right answer is option B by experience of managers. Next question, question number 3. The principles of management are significant because of option A increase in efficiency, option B initiative, option C optimum utilization of resources, option D adoption to changing technology. Right answer is option C optimum utilization of resources. Fourth question, Henry Fayol was option A social scientist, option B mining engineer, option C accountant, option D production engineer. Right answer is option B mining engineer. Fifth question, this question is hot question. Hot means high order thinking questions. These questions newly added to the question bank. Let us see the question and answer. Fifth question, which of the following statement best describes the principle of division of work? Option A, what should be divided into small tasks? Option B, labor should be divided. Option C, resource should be divided among jobs. Option D, it leads to specialization. Right answer is option A, what should be divided into a small task. Next question, sixth question also hard question. Let us see the question. As I said earlier, the hard questions are marked as a red color stars. This red color stars indicates the hard questions. Question number 6. She or he keeps missions, materials, tools, etc. ready for operation by concerned workers whose work is described by this sentence under functional foremanship. Option A instruction card clerk, option B repair box, option C gang box, option D speed box. Right answer is option C gang box. Next question, seventh question. Which of the following is not a principle of management given by Taylor? Option A science not rule of thumb, option B division of work, option C cooperation not individualism, option D harmony not discard. Right answer is option B division of work. Next question, question number 8. This is also hard question. Already I marked with a red color star. You need to give more concentration for this question. Management should find one best way to perform a task. Which technique of scientific management is defined in this sentence? Option A time study, option B motion study, option C fatigue study, option D method study. Right answer is option D method study. Next question, this is also a very important question, hard question. Already I marked in my presentation with the 3 red color stars. Ninth question, which of the following statements best describes mental revolution? Option A, it implies change of attitude. Option B, the management and workers should not play the game of upmanship. Option C, both management and workers require each other. Option D, workers should be paid more. Right answer is it implies change of attitude. Next question, question number 10. Basic aim of functional foremanship is option A, not to provide free time to workers. Option B, not to divide the work. Option C, to separate planning functions from execution functions. Option D, to separate top level management from chief executive officer. Right answer is option C, to separate planning functions from execution functions. These are all MCQ questions in second chapter. Thank you for watching. I will come back with new chapter. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you.